Good morning everyone. So we're on the leg to Portree today. Nicola and the dog are going to take the bus down. I'm going to carry on walking. The dog's paws are getting a little bit tired. You can tell the dog's getting a bit tired, so we're going to give it a day off. Nicola's going to have a chill day and I'm going to carry on down the coast. I've just headed down to the river just to check it out last night, because last night we just wanted to get to the pub. So I'm going to just film around here, get my backpack, and Nicola's taking the tent, so I don't have to carry the tent today. And we're gonna, head down to Portree. It's gonna be great. Alright, see you later. Bye bye. See you later. Bye bye. Bye bye. So that's me now. I'm off on my own. Said bye to the dog, said bye to Nicola. Should be able to get through this section pretty quick, but we'll see. If it's quite boggy in places, it might be a little harder than I think, but we'll see. So the first bit out of the campsite's been pretty good going. There's been a bit of standing water, but nothing I can't handle. Beautiful views over the Collie mountains and beautiful views out to sea. So yeah, I'm enjoying this section. Apparently it gets a bit more techie further up, but we'll deal with that when we come to it. So I think I'm going to stop for an early lunch. I'm in no rush to get there, so I might as well have a bit of an early lunch, get some food in me, because I didn't really get much at the campsite. So yeah, I'm going to have one of the pasta meals, I think, once I get down to some flat ground down there. Get filled up for the day. I should be able to finish it out pretty easily. So I'm on a bit of a road section now. I think this is quite a long one, but it kind of hugs the coast, so there's some beautiful views. And as you can see in the background, some lovely houses I'm walking past. Some people are so lucky. I don't know whether they're holiday homes or people actually live here, but yeah, absolutely beautiful houses. One in every town. So I've just found a bench, so I'm just going to stop and make a bit of a pasta bolognese before I get going again. It shouldn't be too far now, it's just down the road, but I'm going to have a bit of lunch and then crack on with it. Cheers for the seat, guys. Yeah, it's always the same in road sections. You can get a good trot on, like I'm probably doing about a 3 mile an hour average or something like that, but it always kind of aches your feet. It just gets a bit monotonous. Luckily this is one of the prettier road sections I've ever done. Like the views are like amazing out to sea, over to the Storr and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm pretty content right now. So there's the main event for tomorrow. Trotting this ridge, you can just about make out Storr right there. That's going to be fun. Beautiful. hopefully it'll be nice weather tomorrow. How you going, guys? So today we're headed up to the Storr. We managed to stay on a pretty nice campsite last night, slept in the car instead, so we got a half decent night's sleep. Had a massive Chinese, which was really appreciated. Had a few nice beers and chilled out, and yeah, pretty refreshed to do the second half of the trip now. So yeah, we're going up to the Storr. It's a bit murky at the moment, but later on it's going to clear up, and hopefully we're going to get some crazy good views today. You. Huh? Sounds like me. So we just had a bit of a mad climb to get to the top of here. I think we went off path a little bit of scrambling. It was a bit hard work. So I'm going to stop and have an iron brew and enjoy the views. Day 5 and he's still in the puddles. Where's Mum? So the ridge just before the Storr is absolutely stunning. We've just been across that, really beautiful. The bit after it is just pure bog. Just been trying to negotiate our way across the bog. It's pretty spongy. Good job we got proper boots on. So today was probably one of the most beautiful days of hiking I've had for a long time. It was absolutely stunning. Um, yeah, all along the coast, looking back towards everything we've already walked through, and then going past Old Manor Storr was a real treat. But where we've camped tonight is just absolutely ridiculous. It's so beautiful, and we're right on the Trotternes Ridge length of what we have to go over tomorrow and over the next couple of days, all the way down to the finish point. It is absolutely stunning up here. It's got to be one of the most beautiful bits of walking I've done ever, probably. It's really beautiful. I've really fallen in love with Skye. It is a stunning place, and I'll definitely be back to explore some more of the Cullins and maybe even do the whole length of this again, because it'd be a really good day hike as well. So yeah, really enjoying it. I'm gonna take it easy tonight. We're just gonna chill out around the camp. We've got set up pretty early, so Nicola's just gonna have a rest. I'm just having a look at the view now, and then we're hopefully gonna watch the sunset, so that'll be lovely. Anyway, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the morning.
So even if we were to do that